hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lich Edward here. So as you can see, this is a big field. Let me show you. This old place is known as Lea Vipingo. Today is on Sunday, so I have come here for the sports day of the youth. You can see the number of youth that are here are very many, and these are the people who are going to participate in this field. So this is a big field. As I told you guys, today is a big day. It's a kind of a sport here. So what's your name, bro?
Samson.
Yeah, Samson. What have you come to do here?
I've come to run.
Yeah, to run. So you can learn. What kind of running do you do? 100 meters.
Yes.
So you are a very great.
Yes.
Huh? Oh, so you do 100 meters.
Yes.
Can you go around the field? No, not now. I'm just asking, can you learn that around the field? So you can?
Yes.
So can you learn faster than me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so just go out. I'm seeing you're being called there. Thank you so much, bro. So guys, that was just a small kid. I'm going to show you what is going to happen here. We haven't started yet, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, and more is coming. So guys, the ladies are setting themselves there. They want to learn. So I'm going to show you the live running of the ladies, and you're going to enjoy this because maybe you haven't seen ladies learning. I have a friend of mine here. Yes, bro. How are you? You can see you're just doing. Just talk something, bro. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Just talk something. Yes, bro. How are you? Yes. What's your name, maybe? Yeah. So what have you come to do here, maybe? Yeah. Okay. So I can see the ladies are setting themselves, so they are going to start with the ladies. So guys, I'm going to show you everything here, how they are going to learn. This is 100 meters, yeah? Yeah. Thank you, bro. So guys, they are just organizing themselves there. Then from there you see how they are going to learn. Some have started there. You can see they are just jumping on the road. Let me zoom the camera. So you can see they are setting themselves. So they are setting themselves there. You can see. They are taking long to set themselves there, but they are going to learn. I want to show you how they are learning here in the field. This field is very big. You see, it's big. So let me see where they are going to end. There is a rope there. I'm trying to zoom here so that you can see, but let me first focus on this. So they have started there, you can see. So they were just learning there. I haven't followed them because, you know, I see like they were running faster, but you have seen something? The way they were just learning. There's a lot of celebration there. People are celebrating themselves.
inaonekana.
So guys, I'm going to run live here. You can see. Let me everything. Just on the camera. Eh? Live here. Stay tuned.
Vipingo. Ah, ni wanaume hao.
Wanaume na mimi.
Mbona nyinyi mko mbele sana? Hebu rudini nyuma.
Mbele sana
jamani. Mana mkombea hivyo. Ni wanne.
Stuff, you will see people running here and there.
Uyo.
I was running here. The game was tough because I tried. But anyway, thank God, because this is just a good experience, how people are joyful. Even if you have been beaten, you just feel happy because there is a lot of cheering. But I'm very tired. Guys, you can see the joyful of the people in the field. You know what they are going to do is the one who become number 1 and the number 2 are the one who are going to compete. So let me show you. But you can see what I love about here is, even if you have been beaten, maybe somebody have run faster than you, they don't mock you, they just celebrate, and you are being given a glucose. The game here is so good, and the people are just trying their best to run, you know. There's a lot of seriousness. There are some who run fast, there are some who are Talk something. How have you seen how have you run?
Yes, I've learned that.
But I haven't seen in the camera. Where did you learn? In night or at night? Or?
Yes, I'm just a track and I took number 4.
You took number? No.
Yes.
No, you didn't learn.
I did. She
Where?
tried, by the way, but she was the last
Okay,
one.
that's good. So what is next here? I can see there are 2 people here.
Yes.
Yeah, the number 1 and number 2.
Number 1 and 2.
So guys, they are set there. These are the one who become number 1 and number 2.
Can I join you? Ruth, number 1 and 2.
You can see the celebration, guys. People have carried their food. There is a lot of joy because I'm happy how the unity is here. There is no mockery, you know. What they are trying to bring is unity and youth. So stay tuned just to see how they're going to run. So it seems like there was a inconvenience, but they are going to start now in a good way. They are setting themselves. They have started. So guys, I think you have seen a lot in football, in learning how they are learning. So I'm going to show you when they'll be playing football. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. At lunchtime, but now after lunch, you see they selected the people who are going to play in the field. So after being selected, now we are the spectators here, and maybe if we needed here, we will go there as substitutions, people who will help to play in the field. So this is how the day was actually. People have enjoyed. You can see the number of people. You can see back there how people are, you know, and this shows that youths are interested in terms of unity. You see, all these are the youths who have come today. It's also a weekend, so that is how the day was. And what is going on is football. So thank you so much guys for being part of this channel. That is how I'm going to end this video. Stay tuned, there are more videos coming, and thank you so much for the support of watching. Bye bye.